Hi guys, welcome back to another video from T. I'm going to show you how to make easy money with using Temu, codes, and also just referring to yourself if you have other devices. Okay, so with this one, I already shared it to myself to get it. But okay, so with this one, what you just do is you just basically refer yourself or just people that you don't know or just random contacts, okay? Because that's what I'm doing, even though if it doesn't send. So if it doesn't send, you automatically getting more money. So you're going to just share it to yourself, share it to anybody. Boom, you get that much. So if I just share it one more time, then I'll reach my limit. Or 4 more times, then I reach my limit. So, boom. Right, so after that, I'm going to put this link in the description to also so you can earn money and play games and stuff, okay? Let's go back. So this one I like right here is this little cookie game. I'm going to also put the link in the description for this as well. This is like you just let it build up and whatever it is, you can cash out. Mine's is $13.74 right now. And you're going to need this. This is the payout. And boom, just let it collect and add up. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Okay. Link in the description for that one. They also have another one where if you share your share your link, share your code, you can also get half off 20% for the new users, and you can also get $5 as well. So whatever I'm getting, you're getting as well. Probably even more because you're a new user. Okay? So we're gonna put these codes at the bottom of the link of the description, and you need to use it so you can also get double the money, right? It also has a lot of half off, like a percentage game, like I get 2 free gifts, and then like a $40 coupon, then $7% off, something like that, like this, right? So for this one, you're gonna also, these are all game, you guys. All you need to do is just have multiple devices and just make different accounts on that device, so you can just make it easier for yourself to build up like the shares and stuff like that. So like with these, like it's already, pickable. So boom. As you can see, they make it to a point where it's kind of easy, but then they make you work for it. But it's all fine. If we just work together, it'll all be easy. Like I say, all this is $0. And you can just flip, and then boom. See how easy that is? It's really easy. So all these links will be in the description below for hacks and tips. Like I say, also have other devices, like, okay, for right now. So we're going to just message myself. I'm really just doing anybody at this point. Boom. They're going to give you a 9 automatically if you just share it to yourself. So don't make it complicated. Use the code at the below the description, and you'll be fine. I don't know if I'm sharing anybody's number. That'd be funny, but yeah. Yeah, you guys just use the link in the description. Let's get this money. It's easy money. Also have a PayPal already made, so you can have this money flipped to there. Thank you, YouTube, for watching this video. Click the links in the description so we can all make money. You guys will make more than me also because you're new, or some of you aren't new. It's going to work. Trust me. I have more videos coming up with how to make more money. As you know, if you're pregnant, or if you know what I'm saying, as a kid as well, because I know as a kid, like, oh, I want to buy some new sneakers. I want to buy some new clothes for school. Some of you guys' parents are fortunate enough, so you try to make money by yourself. This will be a good app for you guys to also do that as a teenager. Thank you for watching these videos. hit the link in the description to also get free money to Temu. Click my code. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day and pay attention and stay in school.